Claude's Cowork feature can run my entire GoHighLevel account, so I literally have to do nothing. Claude Cowork is like an intelligent agent that can take control of tools like GoHighLevel and control them like a human being. And today I'm going to show you how you can set this up and what kind of actions it can actually take inside of your HighLevel account. Now, if you don't know what GoHighLevel is, it's the greatest all-in-one tool that exists on this market. It can do anything you or a small local business could need, from marketing to SMS to building AI agents, anything you can imagine. But this video is not going to be an introduction into GoHighLevel. There's a million videos on my channel for that. Plus, I have a 100% free school community, which you can join with a link in the description. It's at school.com/automate, so you can learn all about it. Now, I've been building and selling AI automation since before ChatGPT came out. And when I say what I'm about to show you is crazy, I truly mean it. So the easiest way to show you is just by showing you. So what I want to do is jump into Claude, which I have open right here. And let's actually ask it some questions and give it some examples. So what we can do is say, I want you to create a new Facebook post for me. I'm a pet groomer. Make it fun and engaging. Create the image and the copy. So what this is going to do is, one, I've already connected it to my image creation model, which is called Higgs field. So it's connected to HighLevel and my Higgs field. So it's going to create the post. It's going to send it to HighLevel, actually schedule it in real time. So it says, what's the angle for this post? Let's do a cute before and after. Let's say schedule it. So then we can review it together. But if I wanted to, Claude could automatically post onto my HighLevel account. So what's the need of even having a social media team? If I can just come to Claude and say, hey, create this, post this, do this on autopilot, there's really no need to hire VAs anymore. Claude can kind of just handle this for us. So you can see here, Claude is getting to work. It's using Higgs field and it's going to generate the images and the copy for us. And what's going to happen is I've got my beautiful HighLevel account here. This is my white labeled version. But inside of here, we're inside the social planner, inside of the marketing tab. And this is where my post is auto going to be posted and generated right here. So right now it's empty, but I've connected a Facebook account. Let's see what Claude can do. And now this is completely hands off. I'm not doing anything. Claude is getting to work as we speak. And this is really funny. So it said that the image generator's tokens had expired, but I knew that it hadn't. So all I said was, it's connected, just run it. And then it's like, oh yeah, there's no problem here. And it just continues on. So sometimes with these connections, it just kind of doesn't realize what it can and can't do. So you just got to tell it straight up, you can do this, get on with it, get back to work. And that's kind of what I did here. So you can see here, it's running the prompt through a Higgs field. It's creating this before and after image, just like I requested. And it probably takes some time, right? So you can go get a coffee, go eat, do this while you're having lunch. And then it will be done in maybe 5 minutes or so. And there you go. So you can see here, it says before and after. It's actually a really good image. It looks pretty realistic, I'm not going to lie. If you look at it here, I like this quite a lot. So it's still getting to work. It's generated the image. Now what it's doing is it's connecting to GoHighLevel to schedule the post now, which is amazing. So I'm going to scroll down here and it says the post is live in your social planner with this image plus the copy. Now again, I haven't done anything manually. Let's go back to HighLevel. Let's refresh this. And there you go. It's been scheduled and you can see here the before and after. It wrote the copy, it put the image there. I had to do nothing, right? And it's scheduled for exactly when it said it would be. So this is an amazing example of what Claude can do. It can take over our GoHighLevel accounts, and what people used to pay for, Cowork can just do this. And the best thing about Cowork is that you can set this up on a schedule as well. So every day, every morning, it could generate 2 to 3 pieces of content and upload those for you on autopilot. So you literally have to do nothing. Like, this is totally hands off right here. Some other things it can do is, like I said, it has access to your accounts, right? So it can say, give me a report of my recent contacts. How many do I have? Any unread messages. So now what it's going to do is that it's going to run again. It's going to look inside of our HighLevel account, take control of it, and find out exactly what we asked it to do. Sometimes it asks for permission, so you can do always allow, or you can control what it can and can't do. In just a second, I'm going to show you how you can set this up for yourself, but I just want to show you some of the capabilities that it actually has. And I actually prepared a list for you. So while that runs, I'll show you the list that we have. So what Claude can actually do inside of HighLevel, so it can add tags to contacts just by asking. It can send texts and emails to leads, so it can actually respond as your own agent. It can read conversations. It can move deals through pipelines. It can spot stale deals, so it can act as like a sales director almost. Hey, this lead is going cold, or this person's uncontacted, or this message is unread. It can write and publish blog posts. It can write and build email templates. It can schedule social media posts. It can pull revenue. Bunch of other examples. You can take it a step further because it's Cowork. You can then connect it to your Gmail, Slack, your files. You can run it on a schedule like I just mentioned. Basically, it's like a full companion that can just take over any function that you can think of. So here it looks through my CRM. I've got 54 contacts. These are who they are. Unread messages, 42 across 15 conversations, and you get the idea, right? So it can basically just do all of these here. And if I say, hey, send a text to Adrian Pang and say hello. So now it's going to basically write up that message for us and send it directly through HighLevel as well, which is awesome. So I'm going to watch that go through. It says immediately it's been done. So I'm going to go back over here, go to our conversations tab, go to all, and there you see it's been sent already, which is amazing. So yeah, I mean, you get the idea. I can basically control and do all of these functions. Now the question is, how do you set this up for yourself? And you'll be shocked that it's actually not as complicated as you'd think. So the way that it works is HighLevel and other tools like HighLevel have something inside of them called an MCP. What that means is that basically gives permissions to something like Claude to take control of it, basically, to give it some sort of permissions. So to build it out, what you want to do is you want to go and search GoHighLevel MCP. You can pick the first link over there. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up your Claude. Now, this has to be your Claude desktop app because that is what has Cowork, and that's how you can connect different connectors. Now you want to go into your settings inside of your Claude desktop app, go to connectors, click on customize. Now once you're inside of here, this is where all of your MCPs live for all of these different tools. Like I've connected Higgsfield, Make.com, Slack, vidIQ, Gmail, you get the idea. And my GoHighLevel one is right there as well. Now at the top, I'm going to click on plus. I'm going to do add a custom connector. And here I'll name it something like GoHighLevel, MCP, for Claude. You just put whatever you want. Now here where you need the URL, you want to come back to that link that I just showed you and copy this URL right there. Copy this, paste it there, and then you can click on add. Now what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to connect this new MCP to your GoHighLevel account. So it's going to automatically open up your GoHighLevel account, ask you to log in, and then connect your CRM directly to Claude right there. I'm not going to do it because I don't want it to mess up the one that I already have right now. But once you connect it, it's going to show up here on your list, and then you should be able to access it and start talking to it just the way that I just showed you inside of your Claude. And you can basically have it to do whatever you want, right? So they're going to continue to keep adding more features and functionality. Soon it's going to be able to create automations, run your business, do whatever you can imagine. But this is a great start, and I love MCPs. I use MCPs all the time. And this is how you can make different platforms talk to each other, which is really cool. So that's how you set it up over here. Now, if you have any questions about this, then you can also join my free school community, which has everything regarding GoHighLevel and my version of it, Hexona Systems. So you can join using the link in the description. It'll take you to school.com/automate. We have 47,000 people in here who follow my course, who've been able to get success, get clients, and actually close deals using GoHighLevel. You can see Michael here making $15,000, 45 days in from starting using what we teach him inside of the platform. You can also message me one-on-one. You can click on my name. You can chat with me. I can answer any questions you have. More than happy to do that. So I hope this was useful. This is super exciting. I love Claude and I love MCPs, and this is going to take your game to a whole new level. So I hope you enjoyed. Leave any comments in the section below. Please subscribe if you do like it, because I'm all about GoHighLevel and how to make money with it in the best way possible. I'll see you in the next one.